In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your AutoCAD files. If AutoCAD closed unexpectedly and you're worried you've lost work, don't panic. AutoCAD keeps track of your drawings with backups and autosaves, and there's a built-in place to access them. Start inside AutoCAD at the command line along the bottom of the screen. Click into that command line, type Drawing Recovery, and press Enter. You can type it in any case. The command isn't case sensitive. The moment you press Enter, AutoCAD opens the Drawing Recovery pane, sometimes called a palette, on the side of your workspace. This pane is your hub for bringing back work after a crash or unexpected shutdown. You'll see a list of drawings that had a backup or autosave captured before the program closed. Think of it as a safety net. AutoCAD gathers the most recent versions it can find and organizes them for you here. Each entry typically groups all the available recovery versions related to a specific drawing, often labeled with timestamps so you can spot the most recent candidates quickly. To proceed, find the drawing you want to bring back in the list and expand its entry. You'll see one or more files beneath it. Look for a DWG file or a BAC file. The DWG is the familiar drawing file. In many cases, this will represent the last saved or recovered state. The BAC file is an automatic backup that AutoCAD creates when you save, capturing a snapshot from just before the last save. If you see several options, check their dates and times and choose the one that appears to best match the progress you need. Now, select the DWG or the BAK entry you want to recover. Double-click it or choose the option to open it and give AutoCAD a moment to load the file. When it opens, review the contents to confirm it has the work you're expecting. If it's not the version you need, simply return to the Drawing Recovery pane, expand the same drawing group, and try the next option in the list until you find the right one. Using the timestamps is a quick way to zero in on the most recent usable version. And that's it. You typed Drawing Recovery, opened the Drawing Recovery pane, browsed your list of available backups, expanded the drawing you needed, and selected the DWG or BAC file to recover. With those simple steps, you can get back to work quickly and confidently after a crash.